another hot day, and we're off to the gym again. Yeah, not much planned for today. This weekend we've got a Viking Market and a party. The other housemates' party you haven't seen much of, Andreas. So now it just leaves the gym. And then I need to post a letter for my brother, because it's his birthday too. And I think that's about it. Here, look at some grass. Boop. Postcard done. Okay. Of course, what I meant to say there was birthday card done, but I'm stupid. Well, gym's done now. Went good, I thought. Better than last week anyway. Robert absolutely killed himself in there. So he'll probably be feeling that. And I've actually had to find some shade, which is why I have a nice shadowy look to me underneath a tree, because it's really blistering hot today, like it has been all week. So back home, and on the way we need to stop by a supermarket for some food to eat. Yeah, have a look at my view. That is a peculiar statue. I don't know if you can really tell what it is from here, but I can assure you that is a dancer with his head chopped off and an arm. It's odd. And now a healthy, nutritious meal after gym. Healthy. Hey. Okay, next up on my chocolate reviews of Sweden. Marabou, milk chocolate, polka. I've been told to try out these flavours, so we'll see what they're like. It's quite nice, really. It better be nice for the price. Phew. Local drunks. Woo! So today we didn't get to go to the Viking Festival. So we've just got the party to look forward to now. So at the minute everyone's tidying up like crazy. Hoovering, cleaning. Probably needs one. I don't think I've seen one since I got here, but you know, it's not been bad. It just, when it builds up, it needs a clean. So yeah, we didn't get to go to the Viking Market, but so it's gonna be a little less exciting of a vlog for the weekend. That's no problem really, you know. It's a nice, short, easy to edit video. And Monday gym again, and Tuesday we're going into Stockholm for a few things. And then next week Linda's coming over. Linda's my partner. So exciting. Clean. Dishwasher. Needs cleaning. Dead. Aww. Off to get some food. Maybe for this party. And the sun doesn't like me today, apparently. Ah, the important things from the shop. I have them. That's right. I can feel the jealousy. Alright. Pizza. Pizza again today. Having a ham and mushroom. Should be good. Is it a candle? Is it a candle? No. So today's the day of the party. We're actually just getting food together now. Excuse my squintiness, it's early. Regardless, there's going to be a lot of sweets around, a lot of sweets, a lot of new people, a lot of there's going to be a lot of family around that I have yet to meet, some I've already met, so that'll be interesting to see if any of them, how well they speak English. I'm presuming they can speak it quite well, but we'll wait and see. Okay, I've got to go get reasonable. Okay, see you later.
Okej. Ska vi gå vidare då? Ska jag fråga dig då? Vad heter du förresten?
Angelina.
Angelina. Angelina.
Don't mind if I do. And they've gone.